Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, this is it. This is the big reveal of what's in the box, version 7. So at this point, I don't know who won because I'm recording this video before the winner is determined. Because I want to get into this box and get this thing out of here. You order something off eBay, you want to make sure that what you ordered is what you got. So I'm going to go ahead and get into here and show you what was in the box. So let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, so let's get this thing cut open. I do have the mailing address on there, so I would prefer not to reveal that. So I'm going to pull it off the screen here for a moment and get this thing cut open. I didn't do a very good job last time, so I think I opened it the wrong way. So this time, no, I sure don't. So let me go ahead and just pop the lid and then I'll show it to you with the lid open. Got my invoice here too, so here we'll take a look at how it's packaged. Got any clues yet? I think you can kind of see a little bit what's in there. You can see the symbol right there. I know I can see one. So, you guess it yet? What is in the box? Why don't we go ahead and take a look? So, let me pull this out. Get the box out of our way. Take the fold tape off. Did you guess it? 1995 silver proof set. Been collecting silver proof sets for quite a while, from 1992 up to current, and I was missing the 1995. It was a little bit more than some of the other 90s. So I kind of waited, but with eBay bucks and getting it 10% off, which wasn't a ton of money, but I still figured, hey, why not get it 10% off? So yeah, the 1995 silver proof set. Now you never know when you buy it online what you're going to get. I mean, I really, when I buy proof sets, I want to have a good condition box. This box is beautiful. This looks brand new. Any of you that saw my video on the 2012 silver proof set I bought, I got it for a great price. The box on that was not in good condition, so yeah, I usually don't buy them like that, but I got that one almost half price. That's why I bought it. So anyway, that's what it was, 1995 silver proof set. I want to take a quick peek at this. I'm going to have to be really careful. You talk about a reflection here. This thing will reflect for sure. Okay, we're going to just look at my umbrella and lights for a moment. First thing we're going to look at is a certificate of authenticity. And if you're buying silver proof sets, make sure this is in the box. These are really important when you want to resell. Box, good condition box, good condition C of A. And then in here you will find the composition of the coins. You can see here that the dime is 90%, the quarter is 90%, and the half dollar is 90%. Nickel and cent are just regular nickel and penny. But yeah, the three, the dime, the quarter, and the half dollar are all 90%. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, you want that cert, you want it in good shape as well. So let's take a look at this thing. It's going to be hard again to do without a reflection, but yeah, look at those coins, huh? 1995 silver proof set. It's gorgeous, huh? Sorry about my lights there, but yeah, look at that thing. Wow. Very, very nice. Let me go ahead and flip it over to the other side. You can take a look at this side as well. Yeah, I'm not really getting the mirror finish on there because I'm about tilting it away, but yeah, look at those things. Look at that 1 cent, huh? It's beautiful. Let's see if we can get a better look. Yeah, how's that, huh? Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. Very nice. You can see the frosting on the eagles. You can see them really well there. That's why it's a proof. You know, that frosted look on those things. So let me go back out, put it back to normal range, and say, wow, what a beautiful set, huh? So that's what it was, folks. It was a silver proof set. I can bring my lighting down. I don't want to bring it down that much. Give you a better look at it. Got the cert here. Got the case, which is hard to see because it's black on black. It's mixing in with my background, but yeah, huh? Very, very cool. Well, that's it. Congratulations to the winner. You deserved it. You're going to get yourself this beautiful Bicentennial proof silver quarter, 40% in San Francisco Mint. So did you see the relationship? Anybody's paying close attention. I gave away a proof coin because I had a proof set in the box. Pretty clever, huh? Anyway, that's it. I hope you enjoyed playing What's in the Box. And there will be another one coming. I had actually just recorded another What's in the Box video. So there will be more. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed playing along. And enjoy your 40% Washington quarter. Pretty cool. And if you haven't subscribed, why don't you go ahead and do that now. And also hit that bell button that's next to the subscribe button, because then you'll be notified anytime I do another video where I'm giving away free silver like this one. And then why don't you go ahead and click on these 2 videos that just popped up. Got some content for you out there. I think you'll really enjoy it. I don't know why I'm covering up Kennedy there. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.